Today we are going to look at scaffolding tower erection. We'll show you step by step how to erect the scaffolding tower. Scaffolding tower is made of aluminium as aluminium is strong and has low specific weight and can be extruded and welded, so it becomes the ideal choice for scaffolding tower. Today we have professional scaffolders and they will show you how to put the scaffoldings together. So let's start. First, insert two casters into the base frame and secure them to a frame leg and lock the braces. Now put the casters same way for another base frame. We'll now connect the base frame with horizontal braces. Install the diagonal brace and secure them to stabilize the base frame. Now we will install the stairway ladder which we will use to climb up to install the working platform on another set of frames. We'll properly ensure that the ladder is rested on place. Next we will install the plain platform and secure it properly. Before climbing, we'll properly ensure that the plain platform is rested. Now we will install the second set of frame on top of base frame. We'll do the same on the another side. Install the diagonal brace and handrail towards the stairway side. After completion of first step, we'll ensure that the bolts and nuts are properly tightened. Install the another stairway ladder to progress for another level. Next, we will again place plain platform. Here we are erecting a 4-meter tower, but as per necessity you can continue to install set of frames. We will install guardrail frame which will provide front protection to worker. We'll repeat the same procedure on another side. Next, we will put the guardrail on guardrail frame to provide longitudinal support. Now we'll put top handrail. Now we'll install guardrail on another side. And that's it. We are done with the erection of scaffolding tower. Now to disassemble the tower, reverse the assemble process and just start from the top. We at SB Scaffolding are always there to help you with all your scaffolding related queries. Do let us know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.